She for me good, she passion over. I got a spot with a limited cash. I got a thought with a limited ass. No love for the ops.
What's up, guys, and welcome back to my channel. It's your girl Azhane, and in today's video I'll be sharing with you guys some tips and tricks on how to get your jumps higher or just better. The only piece of equipment that we're using is ankle weights, but you do need to have like a yoga mat or something to stretch on so you're not messing up your knees or legs or anything. So yeah, let's jump right into today's video. But before we get started, hit that subscribe button if you haven't already. This ring light is bothering me, but I can't see without my glasses. I actually just woke up too. Yeah. In this video you'll see me in different locations with different hairstyles. It took me a while to record this video, y'all. I don't know. It just took me a very long time for some reason. Enjoy it, leave comments, and let's just jump right into it. It's not the smartest idea to jump into stretching without properly warming up. So I like to start with some jumping jacks, or I just run back and forth. If you don't have space to run back and forth, you can jog in place, high knees in place, butt kicks. Pretty much everything I'm doing in this clip you can do in place. I will do a more in-depth video on how I stretch, but I do like to start stretching standing up just to warm up my legs to actually stretch. When you guys are sitting in straddle, make sure your toes are pointed and your knees are pointed behind you. Many people forget about stretching your shoulders, but this is important as well. Try to keep your arms up. If you have your split, try to keep your arms above your head or at a T position. My bed is right here, so I can't really hit a T position. And make sure your front and back leg is pointed. Toe is pointed. I forgot to implement oversplits because I couldn't do them with my pulled hamstring, but oversplits will help improve your flexibility and will get your jumps higher. For beautiful jumps, you need both leg strength and flexibility. You need strong legs and a strong core. Okay guys, when working on your toe touch and strengthening your legs, ankle weights will be your best friend. These are only 2 pounds. I do need to up my sizing, but any weight is good. I'm just using ankle weights to help it be faster. You guys can find ankle weights at Academy, Dick's, any place that sells workout equipment. For the girls who aren't as advanced, you probably will only be able to lift and not roll. So basically you gotta put one hand in front and one hand behind you. This is a leg lift. Work on controlling it, tapping the ground or hovering, depends on how strong your leg is. And this is a leg roll. Same thing, but this helps with rotating your hips backwards, and it's better for your toe touch. So you can either do 4 sets of 5 or 2 sets of 10. This will equal 20, and you'll do it on each leg and then down the middle. To even it out, you want to make sure you're doing everything equally. You can do 10 straddle pulses. Just do this. Ooh, yeah, that hurts. When you guys are doing these exercises, make sure to hold your core tight. And this will help with your front hurdlers and your pike jump. Make sure you're doing this evenly as well, and you can do the 2 sets of 10 also. Now when you're doing your T-kicks, make sure your leg is going behind your hand. Notice how before I was reaching down, but now I'm just letting my feet come up. And yeah, that's how you do it. When you're coming up, do not bend your legs at all. Don't bend your legs coming up or coming down. Just let your legs naturally come up, and you can also do these with ankle weights as well. This is just a trick to open your hips up in your jump. Do this a couple times before you do your jump so you won't like feel like you're pulling anything. This drill is good for making sure your legs are coming up together and they're not bending, coming up or down. I like to do it kind of for fun. You reach up and you do that. But I can't do it properly because of my bed and my window. So you can do tuck ups. Or you can do like pipes, I don't know. Different variations of what you can do. This really builds up your core. You can snap your legs up faster. So this drill helps with your stamina, so you won't be tired from all that jumping. You just do jumping jack, kick, kick, and I do that 5 times. It's really helpful, but it's really tiring. So you just do 1 jumping jack, 1 kick on each side, 2 jumping jack, 2 kicks on each side, all the way to 5. So when doing a toe touch, you need to make sure that your ankles are pushed back and you're not down like this, okay? You want to keep your back straight and your legs to come to you. 5, 6, 7, 8, clap, 1, 2. Not everyone will start bent, depends on your preference or your coach's preference. I know last year my best jumps, I started straight like this. So whatever way. So 5, 6, 7, 8, clap, 1, 2, high V, 3, 4. I did not go on my toes. I usually stayed flat foot, and that helped me, but everyone's different. 1, 2, high V, 3, 4 on your toes, swing down, 5, jump, 6, clean, 7, stand, 8. Make sure your arms stay at a T and not at a high V. Try not to cross up here. That looks very bad. That looks horrible. Stop crossing your arms. 2020, we're not crossing our arms, okay? We're kissing, 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 kissing. Take it down, kiss, kiss, kiss. All right, toe touch, I'm gonna stand sideways. Toe touch, swing. When you bring your leg up, don't sit like this and reach for your toes. Roll your hips back. It's how you should look in your toe touch, not like this. Yeah, make sure you're rolling your hips back. Keep your back straight. Don't reach for your toes. Let your toes come to you. So for your side hurdlers or front hurdlers, you're gonna do clap, 1, 2, turn, 3, rocket approach, swing down, hit candlesticks, and bring your leg up. Once again, I'll put a clip of what I'm talking about here. Make sure your back isn't like this, and you keep your high V at this position. So when you're clapping up, make sure you're hitting the high V, and you're not doing this, because that makes a big difference in your jump. I'm not gonna jump to my full potential, but this is just a jump sequence you can do to warm up your legs and to just practice each jump. It's T jump, tuck jump, toe touch, right hurdler, left hurdler, and then a pike. So yeah, like I said, I'm not jumping to my fullest potential, I'm just showing you guys what it looks like. This also helps with timing as well, making sure you're jumping on 6 or 4. So yeah, that's it for today's video. I'm gonna try to make more like cheerleader videos on like how to. But if you guys aren't sure on how to sit in your jumps, basically it's just roll your hips back. Yeah, like this motion. Oh my gosh, y'all can't even see. Okay, so usually when you jump, people do down, but you roll your hips back. So yeah, that's how you sit in your jump. Remember that getting better jumps does not happen overnight, but good technique does. So yeah, thanks for watching. Make sure to follow me on Snapchat, Instagram, and Twitter, all at Yourpinkpillow. And I'll see you guys in my next one. Comment down below if this video helped or if you have any other tips. And yeah, peace.